are now going to turn to the experts. Oh, I love their tagline for the company that invented air conditioning. And our regular audience knows we live in Miami, so I live on air conditioning, born and raised there. If no air conditioning, I'm not interested. So we have the delightful opportunity to talk to the product manager with Carrier, Catie Sheppick, who is showing us some very cool things about home automation. Catie, welcome into Tomorrow. How are you?
Yeah, wonderful, sir. And yourself?
I'm doing fine. The heart of a smarter home is something you guys are calling core?
Yeah, absolutely. When you talked about turning to the experts, you couldn't be more on point when we talk about core home automation. Core home automation is brought to you by 3 experts. First, you've got Carrier that you mentioned. It's well known for modern air conditioning. You've got Kidde, which is the world's largest provider of life safety products. Think smoke detectors, and then Interlogic, which is a global leader in security products. So all of those 3 brands are united under core home automation to provide a well-supported, trusted home automation system.
Oh, very cool. And if you're noticing on our video, if you're driving in your car, have no fear. When you have a moment, into tomorrow.com and look for the interview, the video portion of the interview with Catie from Carrier, and you're going to see some pretty cool looking products that do a variety of things right away. I mean, everything from Wi-Fi thermostats, which one would expect from a company like Carrier, but there's a whole lot more. Tell us what you're displaying here at this Showstoppers press event.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got quite a few things up here on the board. We've got a smart hub, which is really the beginning part of this system. You can think about that like a traditional security panel. So you can put that right by your door, so you use that when you interact with the home, or, best part, you can take that and put it somewhere where you don't have to see it, and you can use our great mobile app instead. So mobile really is that way of the future of how people want to engage with the home, so we really want to give them that flexibility. The rest of the stuff that we have on the board, you've got window door sensors and motion sensors and cameras, like you think about a traditional security system. We also have various different products that allow you nice lifestyle choices in the home, like a smart outlet so you can turn on and off lights, or a water valve. Think about if your water heater goes out and is leaking water everywhere, you can have that automatically shut off the water to the water heater.
I mean, let's go back for a second too. I mean, the water thing's certainly very important. I actually backed into my water heater once in a garage, and what a mess.
Not good.
No, I didn't need an alarm because I just got out of the car and went, what a
bad.
dummy. Yeah, exactly. Oh, good move, Dave. You know, now how we stop all that water from coming out. It was like a hydrant kind of thing. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a good pressure.
But so I see the importance of something like that, but as Chris pans left, we go back to the smart outlet. It's not all that often that you see an electric outlet with a cool LED.
No, it's not. And so this helps the homeowner understand that they've got a smart outlet and compatibility to turn it on or off. The core home automation system also features geofencing, which sounds pretty fancy, but what that means in normal people terms is that the system understands whenever you're approaching or leaving the home, and you can trigger certain events. So think about pulling in your driveway. The system will know to open the garage door, unlock your door, and turn on a particular light. And the reverse could happen whenever you leave the house.
Ah, very cool. So that's where, again, geofencing makes a huge difference, and this kind of home automation can pay off.
Yeah, it sounds pretty scary and fancy, but at the end of the day, it does some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, it absolutely does. And cameras, as you mentioned, motion detectors, we would expect those kind of things. I'm seeing what looks like perhaps an outdoor camera with some infrared lighting so we can see the backyard easily, et cetera.
Absolutely. It's really important to have those indoor and outdoor platforms. Some stuff can happen outside, whether that's a package getting delivered in the house or maybe some kids causing some mischief that you want to know exactly what's happening at the house.
Oh, never in my neighborhood. That would never happen. It would be me causing the mischief. Now tell me about I'm seeing a door lock as well. Is this something that you and or one of the partners is working on also as part of this smarter home?
Yeah, absolutely. So we provide various different products that are not manufactured by one of our companies in Carrier or Interlogic or Kidde. We also want to provide opportunities for homeowners to connect with other products they might already have in their home that are smart. So the lock here that we're showing is from Yale, and that's one of our partners that connects with a protocol that allows a nice third-party products off of the shelf. So you could go to a store and get a nice product that you could buy and hook up.
Now back to the thermostat, because that's exactly. That's what we would expect from Carrier. What can we do with this? No doubt a smart thermostat.
It is a smart thermostat. So smart thermostats, of course, you can control that thermostat remotely. We've got a wonderful mobile app that allows you that connectivity. That's sort of that baseline for a smart thermostat these days. But it offers a lot more. So the thermostat, since it's invented by someone who really knows air conditioning, it's very intelligent. It understands the thermodynamics of your home. So
that makes it smarter than me right there.
It knows how to do some math. But it understands effectively how your home is gaining and losing heat, and that's really important because it's your specific home, and your home's going to be very different than your neighbor's home. So we understand how your particular home should operate, and we can optimize how your home heats and cools based on that information. And we gather outdoor weather data to optimize the thermostat. And so when you walk through the front door of your home, it's the temperature that you want it to be, and we get there in a very efficient manner. So that thermostat can save a homeowner an average of 20% on their heating and cooling energy savings. And that's just from a thermostat, and that's a really big deal.
So we would expect, obviously, then connectivity and the ability to lower or raise the temperature remotely, whatever we need to do. Right?
Absolutely, and then the benefit of all of the energy savings. And we show all of that through a series of energy reports that you can access on a web portal to take a look at how exactly your home's performing and how you're doing compared to others. Our big thing this year is this thermostat's been on the market for a couple of years. What we've launched this year at CES is 2 brand new thermostats that offer a wider opportunity for homeowners to connect. The thermostat that you guys just saw is about $250 retail. But we're offering 2 new thermostats that have a much lower price point with very similar energy efficiency benefits, so more homeowners can have access. Not everybody has the ability to spend $250 on a thermostat, so we want to give more people access to great products and that really help them save money.
Well, Catie, I love your passion for what you're doing, and no doubt that you're excited about these kind of things and the ability to make our homes smarter because we need to, and connect all of these cool devices and cameras and security items, and certainly our air conditioning and heating systems as well.
Absolutely. I think I have one of the best jobs in the world. I get to spend time out here talking to great people about smart products and really enjoy doing it. So
love it. Well, we appreciate you joining us. Carrier.com for more information. We'll link you there, and you'll see what Catie and her team are up to when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me on. Appreciate it.
We're back with more as Into Tomorrow continues. I'm Dave Graveline on the Advanced Media Network.